Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access, Languages and Input. Now click on Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!